Performance, that is our new dancer?
Yeah, new dancer.
You
don't know the new tune where they mark do man, say I play homage to Killer and Beanie.
Anyway.
Yeah, blood class CD man, master.
Oh, you asked about the tune anyway. We have fuck up the place right now. We're going to do it, Marvin.
Which one is this? Tell me which tune I fuck up the road now when you can't tell me about what me know.
Breaking news, alright?
Yeah. Breaking news now, all bumbo clad song Rasta come in like a cave you come out of. What you mean? Of when breaking news, when they said that come from jail and drop breaking news. Yeah, the new song that I run road now, brother.
Yes, that song.
Then somehow you don't forget poison for blood clot show man, somehow you not go on good.
Yeah, like young man. But they don't beat him like black guy.
You know it?
Yeah, so you get it.
You knew?
I don't mean give you that, brother.
I know. It's not test me.
Let us do another.
It is a letter.
Oh, okay.
Oh, me can't make a music video that. Yeah man, me go line them up.
You can't get some stage show for me.
Oh, me have mask.
18 sir.
No mask. I can't keep on wearing some mask.
You know, so you like that now?
No, man.
Yeah, that's all I got.
Rasta account over the CD then.
Check it more. Never sell
Yeah, you better run in because I done it, you know.
Get fucked, no less, you know. Buy every dancer that go and get.
Rasta, put on the CD then, man. You have to buy CD already. I take up the CD them again for.
You can't tell me that right now.
Go on, you go on like you know want the man them getting on the goods themselves.
Sir, me just want that one like home.
Let us grab up the blood clad pile of CD as the man them come and put that under your arm. $50 more that for your money, you know.
Which school you go?
Me no go to school.
Style of G school. Yo, blood clot. Right, there are some new chili people play them to blood clot. They ask me where we get there.
Who Rasta and tune but new tune man?
The old bub. That's a new labas. I play some new labas in one got to blast now.
Here we tune the man told me so come and ask me about and say him can play a new tune with me no know.
You have a new chronicler right now. You have a new chronicler. No.
How you mean say me have the new chronicler? You know see a straight chronicler that you look for.
I want that man.
I want to hear you.
New one man.
We're out here like show sprint 6. To you. You go on like you don't know we in the street every day and we out here all the time like we are wild side. What do some man Rasta? What day some man left their yard and left right in a cave and come out here and ask me about breaking news. That then you was a stop broke brother.
How long can you pass that?
Then use the broken whole heap and wouldn't get poison and a man come out on blood clot 9 nights and funeral and wouldn't dead.
Now is
Rasta. High grade whistle I'm going, you know. I say high grade whistle.
You can get some different server.
Straight cartel that man, be a girl song.
I have a new cartel right now.
Yeah, me like how outside look, you know, long me not come out here with CD and then don't move on up. Hey, watch you now man. Now go on like you know fight that thing here, you know you. Yes. Black Lives Matter, G. I want CD name so you know see Bojo Banton, Sizzla Kalonji. You know the works.
Old school still, but they
Yeah, but a new song them. You ever hear none of their song there yet? So you never hear the song them they new.
Well, buddy.
Come up with a little money in a rasta. Lord, you're tight with the little tight with money, you know boy.
Yeah, I'm free with it.
Brandy.
Come on, power.
Lord.
Brandy.
Oi.
One set of people you give your money, man.
Oh.
See your blood clot take long for pop you out when you go around a Scotia.
I'm with buying, we're not buying, but if we have it good, pussy then I'll
I
probably.
don't buy no weed from me Rasta, you know I be high grade myself. Come me like the man them not tell you what I want.
Yeah, you say I have a roast weed. That's here.
So I'm have the worst. Hot mind active. Lord.
You just keep them mind have it bad.
Then for a man say I have the worst weed, you know say bad mind active. Alright now you can't find one good job with people nowhere. Since the man. And if me have the worst weed sitting around, I must say my taste bud no good. Yeah, your friend them are some blood Rasta, go on. See yourself to say you can't get the sizzler. Go on like me alone, you want to have blood clot pressure to man song. Yeah, me have God on my foot. You know how much artists me stay here and bus and send them go some place where they never travel go yet.
So you can't send me bus fee.
After you have to go start sing song.
You can't sing, man.
Then you sing some song and come and me put them for a CD and when ship come me sell them to tourists. Tourists live at some place where enough people not going on.
Me a go do it.
I show man. And when me sell out to tourists so CD and then go some place. Song over there play her artists they even know the artist.